beneath a blood-red moon, the undertaker whistles out a dead man's tune. I clawed from the grave with the dead to reclaim. Now the hounds of the devil are howling my name. I bring the judgment, black locust sky, church bells are choking, and saints won't rise. Run to the river, it won't set you free. When I cross that line, judgment walks with me.